Hi, 3D mechanical design. Fluid mechanics. A master cylinder compresses the hydraulic fluid to a pressure of 80 psi. Cylinder 2 has a diameter of 4 inch, and cylinder 1 has a diameter of 1 inch. What is the ratio of force 2 to force 1? A pressure of 80 psi is exerted on both area 1 and area 2, where pressure is equal to force divided by area. 80 psi equals F1 divided by A1 equals F2 divided by A2. To find the ratio of force 2 to force 1, we can use the formula provided by the user, which is F1 divided by A1 equals F2 divided by A2, so F2 divided by F1 equals A2 divided by A1. Since the pressure is the same in both cylinders, it cancels out and we are left with the ratio of the areas of the two cylinders. The area of a circle, which is the shape of the cylinder's end where the force is applied, is given by the formula. Area equals pi times d divided by 4, where d is the diameter of the cylinder. Now we can find the ratio of the areas. F2 divided by F1 equals 16. Therefore, the ratio of force 2 to force 1 is 16 to 1. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you like this video.